Coming in our front door, the old front door, here's the old dining room, which we've been using as a study and during the construction as a dining room also. But during this renovations phase, we moved the fridge over here and widened the area that went into the kitchen. Took away the old downstairs bathroom. This is all going to be part of the kitchen now, which won't be a lot bigger, but just a little bit bigger. Ripped away the old floors. And that window, I'm going to jam in a different window that's smaller. I'm going to patch in the holes around it. Supported some of the beams overhead to carry the extra weight. And this is a very important wide span of engineered wood. It carries a lot of weight. Fixing the plumbing here. Took away the plumbing from the old bathroom. This, by the way, is the addition. And everybody's crowded in the new family room, living there, sleeping there, eating there, playing there, presents and everything. This is going to be the play area just on the other side of the kitchen, so we can keep an eye on the kids. Guest bathroom. Alright, so downstairs we're basically right now redoing the kitchen. Going upstairs, behind that blue screen is the old living room. Now going up the stairs. This used to be Yipeng's bedroom, and it's going to be a spare room and a hobby room for Tutuan. And this room's always been there. It's going to be probably Pepe's room. And our bedroom, we put a wall in here. And this would be Yipeng's new bedroom. And that's what's remaining of our old master bedroom. And in the part that we walled off, we're making a new family bathroom. A heater. Okay. This wall is actually very important because we didn't have enough support for that side, so we have built a new wall inside the old wall. And then the new section is about 18 inches taller than the old section, so we have 2 steps going up into the new section. This is the new guest bedroom. That's the other side of that wall connecting the new section and the old section. And that's it.